Hello, myself Dr. Smita Rathod from Mumbai. Last 4 months, I'm connecting with MSR sir. First, I did his subconscious mind session. It's 2 days workshop. It's really amazing. There, sir taught us about the subconscious mind and how subconscious mind work. Again, sir taught there about law of attraction, how to law of attraction work, and how it gives us amazing result in our life. And also so we learn how to set our goal and how to work on our goal, how to visualize our goal in present situations, and it's really amazing experience. So it taught us so many tools and techniques about remove our negativities and how to build our positivity. So it's really amazing session. And after that I joined sir's visualization batch. This is also amazing experience. Sir do every early morning 5 to 6 the visualization classes, and it's also a different experience for me. And it's really after the sessions I feel very calm and quiet and cheerful, and throughout the day I'm happy and energetic. Again, I am attending Sir's Brahma Muhurta sessions. Today is my 37 days, and it's also really amazing experience for me. Here I know the how to meditation meditation will help us. And after that I see so many changes in my behavior. After that I get irritable easily, I get angry easily, but now my anger is less, my irritability is less. Little bit negative before that, but now I'm really positive. No negative thought comes in my mind. And it's only happened because of Brahma Muhurta and visualization class. So it's really very amazing and a good experience in my life. And really it's a drastical change. It's really good change actually. And the confidence is also increased nowadays. So it's really amazing experience. It's just because of MSR sir. Thank you, sir.